Hey everybody, we're back with the Fractal desktop that had the fried PSU, which you can see there. And when I took it apart, even a capacitor fell out of there. So we got lucky, everything's working. You can see that heartbeat CPU cooler. All the fans are working, GPU, and that's our screen right there. We just connected this Thermaltake 750 here, just on the outside, just to verify that it's working. So we got lucky with this unit that the short and the problem was contained in the power supply and everything else worked. And in this case, I had spoken to the customer, asked him if he had a power surge, because I thought maybe that would have prevented it, but he actually said he had a power surge, and this still kind of happened. So a little strange. Usually, especially on a desktop, what I recommend is a power surge with a battery, right? So power surge to prevent surges or prevent situations like this, which in this case I guess it didn't work. But also, you want to have a backup battery on a desktop for a couple reasons. One is not so much if you have a power outage to keep working for an hour, but if you have just a flicker. Remember, your desktop doesn't have a battery like a laptop, right? But if you just have a flicker of 1 second power loss, which depends on your area here at the shop. I mean, we run through them every so often. So whenever you have that 1 second power loss, your computer reboots. So one is, if it's in the middle of something, you can wind up crashing your operating system. But two, if you're working on something, you don't get a chance to save it. So having the battery backup, even if it doesn't last you an hour, if it lasts you basically enough to finish what you're doing and shut down, 20 minutes, something like that, it's usually enough to finish what you're doing and shut down, and then preserve any crashes or any corruption that may happen with the power outage. That's what's going on right here, right now at PC 911.